Okay, good morning, everyone. Wow. Okay. No more music. Yes, no more music. All right, again, good morning once again. Good morning, grade 6 students. I'll be teaching again. This is my second week of teaching online class. And I hope you are okay at home. You are safe, and then don't go anywhere if you have nothing to do, importantly. Or going outside in the mall. So you have to stay home. All right, so this is the code, and you have to link what's called that one? Download the link ACT online P6 Pratom 6. Okay, I think it's already on top of the comment section. Okay, so before we start our lesson for today, actually our objective for today is to find the circumference of a circle. But before that, let's have a review of our past lesson on the two-dimensional geometric shapes are the triangle and the quadrilateral, or the perimeter and the area of the triangle and quadrilateral. Okay, so this one on the board, if you can see the QR code that you're going to use to register your name online. Okay. All right. So I'm going to read back your comments, and then I will give score for those who are joining the online class every week. Okay. So today, let's start our lesson. But first, we have to play Kahoot. Okay. You need to prepare your mobile phone now because you're going to play with me Kahoot game. I only prepared 10 items for the Kahoot games, and then another game using the PowerPoint, and then we'll go to our lesson proper on the circumference of a circle. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Yes, we will play Kahoot. I will type prepare your. Where is it? I will type prepare your phone for.
No. Keyboard. You can use only computer.
This one cannot.
No.
I think I will use here.
Okay.
Yeah.
อ๋อที่ช่วยพิมพ์ในนี้โอเคในคอมเมนต์โอเคช่วยพิมพ์ในคอมเมนต์ใช่ไหม
ใช่ครับ
Yes.
อ๋อโอเคพูดไปเลยอ่ะ
เมื่อเลยก็เปิด
เมื่อกี้เอากระดาษนั้นไปใส่หรอทำไมมันมืดสว่างแล้วเมื่อกี้มันมืดเลยหน้าดำปุ๋ย
Ready? Are you ready?
ครับผม
Play right. What's that?
like yes
Papa said yes. They go fine, yes. เดี๋ยวไปดูช้าๆมาแล้ว
Where is my game?
Classic.
I have already prepared a
Classic.
classic.
Yes. พี่ชอบทำมาแล้วใช่ไหม
I have already made game.
เล่นช้า
เบ็ด รอแป๊บหนึ่งนะครับ
มันช้าพี่เชอร์มัน slowly มันเพิ่งมา
Classic
มาแล้ว classic โอเค west
เด็กยังไม่ตื่น
อันนี้เด็กเข้ามา114 114
114
watch you morning
ผมจะมี140
140ค่ะโอเค
คือจากนี่กับเครื่องนี้ก็แชร์มาก็ใช้สายเลย
Why very slow? Karadet. Oh. Don't forget to type your number, your room number, and your number. When you join the Kahoot, please write your room number and your number. Don't write any nickname, okay? Your room number and your number.
โอเค
Okay, waiting for players. I will wait for you. The code is 2636066. Okay, very good. All right.
ว้าว
Your room number and your number or your name, okay? Wow, a lot. I will wait. 63, 64, 65, 66, 70, 71, 76, 77, 82, 81, what happened? Okay. Okay. 83, 84. Going up, going up. I did 400 students.
now 147
147 and the only 91 is 91 students I'm joining. '94. 95. 98. More. 100. There are how many are joining?
now 150
150. How about the others?
they said they internet
Oh, sorry.
internet finish they cannot pay
Oh.
someone
OSGP job. I said you have to write your room number and your number. I can give you any score if you won't write your number and your room number. Okay, let's start. Everybody ready? Let's start the game. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And question number 1. What is the formula in find the perimeter of a square? Okay. Who got the correct answer? The answer is, what's the answer? 4s or 4 times s. Okay. All right, 4 times s. Next. So we have, who is tropical guana? I'm sorry, I don't know your nickname. No score. Next. Number 2, question. Which quadrilateral has diagonals that do not bisect each other at right angles? Okay, rectangle is the answer. Okay, may I see? So who is tropical guana? Wow, with sound effects. Okay, who is 6, that's number 21. Okay, next, congratulations, number 21 of 6 plus 6. Question number 3. Which of the following is the diagonal of the given quadrilateral? Okay. All right. The answer is AC. Let us see who got the correct answer. Oh, 6 plus 5, number 11. Congratulations. I don't know. I can't remember your name. But I have to check later. Okay. Next. Question number 4. What is the measurement of the angle created by the bisect diagonals in the given diagram? Okay, next time I will make it slower. Okay? The answer is the green, 90 degrees. What is the measurement of the angle for the bisect angles? Okay, let us see who got the correct answer. 6 plus 5, number 11 again. Very good. Okay, next. Coming up next. Number 5 question. What's the area of the given parallelogram? You're given 20 seconds to answer. Two, 1, 0. Okay, the answer is 56 centimeters square. The formula to find for the area of parallelogram is base times the height. So we have base and the height. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, let us see who got the first correct answer is the same number 11. 6 plus 5. Sarawut. Okay. Shout out to Sarawut. Number 20. Okay, I know Pachara. The twin.
Yes.
Okay. And this one, 6 plus 6 is a girl.
Yes.
Yeah. 6 plus 3 pakapon, I don't know that.
Upon the tall, the big boy.
Okay.
Purina.
Corina.
Purina.
Okay, I don't know him because he is selected. Next question, number 6.
Only top five. Answer you.
All right. 20 seconds. If triangle MNO has an area of 18 square meters and triangle MPO has an area of 27 square meters, what's the area of quadrilateral MNOP? Very fast.
Yeah, they say very fast.
The answer is 38 square meters. Okay. Okay, next. Number 11 again. Number 7. Okay, you are asked about the formula to find for the area of a trapezoid or trapezium. Okay, the answer is what is this, the yellow?
The yellow
Okay,
one.
the yellow. Okay, the formula to find for the area of trapezium is 1/2 times the quantity base 1 plus base 2
Yeah,
times the height. Okay, next.
Again, student.
Say student. Okay, next. 20 seconds. What's the area of the trapezium as shown in the figure? 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Master, you are doing it. Okay, 32 square meters. Who got the correct answer? Let us see. Oh, 6 plus 6, number 4. Who is number 4? Not. I know not number 4. And the same 6. Pachara, Sararo,
Number
21. Pakapon, okay. Next. Next time I will make this game slower.
Teacher, stop at the question and wait them to try to find answer. ไม่ได้จะคิดอย่างนั้น
Okay.
แต่ตอบไม่ได้
I'm not going to
เฉล
say
ย
it.
because they cannot.
Never mind, I will make it slower next time.
เลขสาม
Next week. Okay, the answer is 170 square meters. Let us see. Okay, the same. Theta, 6 plus 2. We have 6 plus 5, 11. Number 20 of 6 plus 3. Okay. Not, and then I can't remember the nickname.
มะพร้าวเลยค่ะ
Okay. Okay, the last is, let us see.
Only the smart tech on any class answer อยู่ไม่ได้
Okay, 30 seconds. The formula of a kite is 1/2 D1 D2. 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay, the answer is 12 cm. Okay, we will review later the formula of quadrilateral and triangle. Okay, let us see. Number 3, number 2 is number 1 is number 3 congratulations. Okay. Okay, never mind. Next time I will make another game like this, and I'm going to slower the time. Okay. So let's go to the next. I need to sign out. On it. Okay.
And you tell them to join.
Okay.
Scan QR.
You can scan now the QR code. Sorry. Okay.
Because now only 186 teacher, 186 we have 300.
Use this QR code to join the online class now. Ready? How many students are joining now? 186. Okay.
Teacher not said I'm sad because he is number 4, not 6 room 4, 6.
Yeah.
He said he's sad.
Never mind that. Next time I will make another game. You can join again. For today, for those who join the online class, will get 10 points. 10 points. 185. 186. Can I start now?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
They can still link, better link on the ACT link.
Okay. So let's have first the review of our past lesson. Last time I gave you word problems on finding the perimeter and area of triangles in quadrilateral. And I'm going to go back to the problem that we had last time. Mr. George would like to construct a rectangular swimming pool with a dimension of 6 meters by 10 meters. What is the new perimeter of the swimming pool if he wants to construct a 1 meter pathway around it? So last time we had this problem, and I'm going to solve again or calculate the area of the swimming pool. If you can see, the blue color is the swimming pool, okay? The length of the swimming pool is 10 meters. The width is 6 meters. And Mr. George would like to construct a pathway around his swimming pool 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter. So what is the new dimension of the swimming pool if we constructed 1 meter around the swimming pool? So the solution is, we have the old dimension. The length is 10 meters. The width is 6 meters. The new dimension of the swimming pool is 10 plus 2. Why 2? Because we have 1 meter on the other side and the other side 2 sides. So we have to add 2. So the new length is 12 meters. And the width is 6 plus 2 also. So we have 8 meters. Okay. So both sides we have 12 meters for the length. And the width, both sides also is 8 meters. So what is the area? Or the perimeter rather. So we have the formula to find for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the quantity length plus width. Substitute the length and the width, which is 12 and 8. So we have 20 times 2. The perimeter of the new swimming pool or the new dimension, using the new dimension rather, is 40 meters. Okay? So the new perimeter of the swimming pool is 40 meters. Okay, next, let's have a review. Okay? This time you are going to answer. You have to write your answer in the comment section. Number 1, what is the formula in finding the perimeter of a square? What is the formula? Okay, what's the first one? I saw Tanadon, 6 plus 5, the first one. 4S, 4S. Okay. So the answer is 4s. Okay? The answer is 4s or 4 times s. Okay, next question. This is only a review of your past lesson. Next. What is the formula in find the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle. May I see?
L
Number?
16.
Okay, 16, row number 4. Okay. All right. The answer is P or perimeter is 2 times the quantity length plus width or 2L plus 2W. All right. If you answer 2L plus 2W is correct. All right. So,
Sydney นัท อัครเดช
okay, Akaradit not. Okay, very good. Next, number 3 question. What is the formula in finding the area of a triangle? Triangle. Let us see. Triangle.
half
Akaradit.
yeah
Uh,
half 1/2 ศิลวิทย์
BH. 1/2 BH. Okay. Chirawis. Okay. Or else. All right. The answer is 1/2 times base times height or 1/2 BH. All right. Very good. You can remember the formula. Next, number 4. What is the formula in finding the area of a trapezoid or trapezium? Formula to find the area of a trapezoid or trapezium. Let us see. Who can remember?
ก่อน
Who is Krito?
คิริโตchannel number 14
Hans. Hans is correct. Who is Hans? Okay, the answer is 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times the height.
ธนดลวงศ์
Tanadon. Okay, room 5.
เดช อัครเดช
Akaradit. Okay, the sum of the parallel is correct. Meaning the bases.
พัชระ
Okay.
โออิงภาวลิน
Papawarin is number
ระพีพงศ์
Okay, next, number 5. What is the formula in finding the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of a triangle. Okay. What is the answer?
ซิกรูมไฟอะไรแฮนอะไร
ฮันสลาวุธฮันโซ
ฮันโซสลับเนี่ยนะกี่แอนเซอร์
ฮันโซ
Okay, never
ฮั
mind.
นโซสลาวุธ
Number 6.
ธนดล
What is the formula in find the area of a rectangle? Rectangle. Okay. Pachara A plus B plus C correct. A plus B plus C is correct. How about rectangle? The area of a rectangle. Okay. The first one is Pachara again. Okay. Pachara. Correct. The answer is length times width. Okay. Length times width or LW is correct.
ชัชยา
Okay.
ชัชยาธันวา
Tanwa. Okay. Very good.
ชินชนกนัทกิจ
Next question. Number 7. The formula for the area of square. Of a square. Okay. May I see the formula to find for the area of a square? The first one is zero ways. Side times side or s squared. Okay. S squared or s times s is correct. All right. Next. It's only a review of your lesson. Next, number 8. What is the formula and find the perimeter of a trapezoid or trapezium? Okay, Han Sarawot. Okay, 6 plus 5. Very good. What's your number, Sarawot?
11.
11. Okay. The answer is A plus B plus C plus D. Papawarid. Okay. Pachara. Anadon. Akaradet. Okay. Chawanwet.
Be happy. Who is that? Be
and
happy.
Who is B happy? I don't know.
Be happy.
Okay, number 9. Number 9. What is the formula? Okay, for the area of parallelogram? Parallelogram.
Teacher, enter say hi. Enter say hi to you.
Okay, hi.
Pachara.
Pachara. Okay, very good, Pachara. Base times the height. Okay. BH is correct also. BH. Correct, BH. Okay, Chawan with hi. Okay, next, I think the last one. What is the formula for the area of a kite? Let us see if you can remember. The area of the kite. Pakapon is correct. BH, BH. All right.
Siri Kitiya.
Hi. Chichano.
D1 and D2, teacher, Pachara. Answer D1, D2.
Where? Okay. Pachara, you have to write 1/2. The answer is 1/2 times D1 times D2, where D is diagonal. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2, divided by 2 is the area of the kite. Okay, may I see? Okay. Akaradet, 1/2 S1 times S2, okay? He used S is okay. Chichanok is correct. 1/2 D1, D2. 1/2 Sirikitia, 1/2 D1, D2. Okay. Sitinan, hi. Avocado man, hello. I don't know. Okay. Let's go to the next. That's the end of our short game. Let's go to our lesson proper, circumference and area of a circle. All right. So what is a circle? We have the definition of a circle. Circle is a round plane figure whose boundary or circumference consists of points equidistant from a fixed point called the center. All right, this is your circle, the black circle. I need to use the black because it is more, it can be seen well on the board if I use the black color. Okay, so this is the definition of circle. You can read by yourself there at home. Circle is a round plane figure with circumference and it has a fixed point called the center. Okay, this one is called the center point of your circle. Okay, now next, let us study first about the parts of a circle. What are the parts of a circle? The first one is, okay, what part is this? Okay, the circle of the center, what do you call it? Dot.
Donut.
Okay, that is called what? The center. Okay, the dot at the middle is called the center. Okay, The center, correct? Panchara, okay, correct. Is a fixed point at the middle of the circle, and the distance from this point to any other point on the circumference is the same. So it's called your center point or the center of the circle. This one is radius. Okay, radius. What is radius?
Another one again.
Okay, we have here warampon. Yeah.
They speak in Thai Rasami.
Okay. Tanadon. Please write in English, please. Okay. Tanadon, correct radius. What is radius? The radius is a straight line that has one endpoint on the center and the other endpoint on the circumference. So we have here the point from the center point to the circumference is your radius. And the plural of radius is radii. Okay? This is the plural of radius. And radii, they are equidistant or equal distance from.
Name. He answer you 2 times. Panasap Sikumpo. Panasap.
Tanasap very good. Tanasap.
Panasap.
Tanasap write the name in
Oh, it's okay.
He in Sikumpo.
It's okay. I can read your Thai. No need. Okay. So the radii, they are equidistant or equal distance from the center point or center of the circle going to the circumference of the circle. Okay, next. This one is a chord. This one is called a chord. Okay? What is a chord? A chord is a straight line that has both endpoints on the circumference. A chord is a straight line joining 2 points on the circumference. So this one is your chord that it joins the circumference here. It has endpoint and endpoint on the circumference of the circle. Next, we have, this one is called your sector. Okay, sector. The green color is your minor sector. The yellow color is called the major sector. So we have, the sector is just like your pie or your pizza, right? The sector, and you have to start from the center point. This is the center point of the circle. I will use the red one. Okay, the center point of the circle. These are called your minor sector and your major sector. So what is a sector? A sector is said to be a part of a circle made of the arc of the circle along with its 2 radii. It is a portion of the circle formed by a portion of the circumference or arc and radii of the circle at both endpoints of the arc. The shape of a sector of a circle can be compared with a slice of a pizza or a pie. All right, that is your sector. Next. The next is diameter. What is diameter? Okay. Diameter is a straight line that passes through the center and has both endpoints on the circumference. So it is a line segment, straight line segment or line that passes through the center point of the circle. The diameter is the distance across a circle through the center. Okay, through the center. It will always pass through the center.
the longest.
Yeah, it is here. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Akaradit? Okay, very good. All right. The longest chord of a circle is diameter. Okay, next. So we have here the chord and your sector. All right. the circumference of a circle. All right, now we have here again the circumference. Okay, this is the circumference, the diameter, and your radius. What is a circumference? Okay, if you can see here, this is the circumference. So what is the circumference of a circle? Our segment, never mind. Okay, there's segment. I forgot to include segment. Okay, the segment is, I will discuss. Okay, if you can see, this one is called your segment, right? This one is your segment, okay? Minor segment. This is your major segment, okay? Those who are asking about segment, this is called your segment, okay? And this is your minor small segment, okay? It is composed of a chord and the arc of the circle or circumference. All right. Okay, next, what is a circumference? The circumference is the distance around a circle, and any point on the circumference to the center has an equal distance. Okay? So you have, it is a distance around a circle. Okay? And any point on the circumference to the center has an equal distance. Okay? Now, that is your circumference. The circumference of a circle is its perimeter, or the distance around its edge. Okay, again, the circumference of a circle is its perimeter, or the distance around its edge. So this is your circumference of the circle. Okay, this one is so-called circumference. All right, now we have this symbol. You are very familiar about the symbol, and this is called pi. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the length of its diameter. So it means that your pi is circumference divided by diameter. Or in symbol, we have C divided by D. Okay.
Pi.
Okay. You can just listen and then I will just discuss this first, okay? Right. Next, pi is a special number discovered by mathematician. All right? And the value of pi, we have two values of pi. We have 3 and 14 hundredths approximately. Actually, approximately 3.1416 or 3.14 or 22 divided by 7. All right. Now, let's take an example. So we have this formula. Circumference or pi is equal to circumference divided by diameter. From this, we can derive the formula of circumference is equal to diameter times the pi. Okay? We derive this formula from this. So circumference of a circle is diameter times pi. Alright? So we have a diameter times pi, or we have pi d, pi times diameter. And diameter is what? 2 times of radius. Therefore, we can say also that circumference is equal to 2 pi times the radius, times twice of the pi times the radius. Or you can say 2r times your pi, okay, and all right.
Sarawut.
Sarawut.
Yeah, Hanso.
Okay, correct. Pi d.
Pi D.
So these are the two formula to find for the circumference of a circle. Use this formula if diameter is given use this formula if radius is given. Okay, let's start. We'll have example number 1. Find the circumference of a circle if the diameter is 4 cm, where pi is 3.14. What do you think is the answer? What is the circumference? So you have diameter pi d is equal to 3.14 times 4. So what is circumference equal to? May I see if who can answer?
3.
Pachara long 3 to okay. Pachara answered 12.56. There should be cm, don't forget. Let us see. All right. So solution we have 3.40 times 4 is 12 and 56 hundredths cm. Okay. All right. Wow, they are very smart. They answered. Okay, I will read your names later, or your answers, I mean. Okay, next example. Number 2. Find the circumference of a circle if the radius is 14 cm, where pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. Okay, what is the circumference? Using 2 pi r. So you have 2, the pi is 22 divided by 7, and the radius is 14. Cancel, cancel. May I see? The first to answer is 44. Pachara again. 88. Okay, let us see. Solution. Okay, Pachara, your answer is 44. We have 88. So cancel, cancel. We have 2. Correct? This is 2 times 20 is 44 times 2 is 88 cm. So the circumference of the circle is 88 cm. Somebody answered 44. Oh, is it kin kain ngongo? Ngong, but ngong.
Ngong. See King Can.
What's that?
See King Can.
The answer is
So, forget.
88. Okay. Tamay ngong. Sorry. All right. The answer is 88. Okay. Next example. Let's have the practice exercise. Let us see. Find the circumference of a circle if the radius is 5 cm, where pi is 3.14. May I see? C is equal to 2 pi r. We have 2 times 5. May I see? 31.4. 15.7. Okay, 31.4. Who answered 3? All right. 2 times 5 is 10, right? 10 times this one. Just move the decimal point 1 place to the right. What's the answer? May I see? Let us see. We have 31 and 4/10 cm. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times this one, move the decimal point to the right. You have 31 and 4/10. All right, very good. Dichatorn. Why 1/10? Almost answered 31 and 4/10 cm. All right, don't forget to write your unit. It's very important. Number 2. Find the circumference of a circle if the diameter is 21 cm, where pi is 22 divided by 7. May I see? What is Tuang Sap? He has answer is 66. Okay.
รัชตะโทรศัพท์มาเลยสิ
Apa?
รัชตะ
Ah, Rachata. Okay.
Daddy's name
You are funny, huh? But your answers are correct. Who answered 6? What's that?
เพิ่มพร
Ah, okay. All right. I will take your answers. I will point to your answer. Okay, the answer is 66 cm. So we have 22 pi d is the formula. Then pi is 20 divided by 7 times 21. Cancel this out. What is 3. So we have 66 cm or centimeters. All right. Easy. Who is Nobuli? Nobuli, what class are you? All right. Okay. Let us see. Number 3. I have a circle. Can you see the circle? The radius is 12 cm. The pi is 3.14. What is the circumference equal to? May I see? Is that a perfect circle? Enter. He said, is that a circle?
enter who is he
Who is the enter? Enter, what room are you? Okay. This is the last example. Next time I will have a game again, okay? I will make slower. All right, we have very fast. 2 pi r. So we have 2 times 3.14 times 12. Okay? We have 6. 28 times 12. We will multiply on the board manually. 16 carry 1 pi. 12. 8 to 6. By the point. 6, 13, 5, 7. Okay. The answer is 75, 36. cm. May I see? Okay, 75.36. John Hay. 87. Okay. OMG, is that a perfect circle? Just assume that my circle is perfect, okay? All right, let's continue our lesson next time. So see you next time on Thursday. Don't go anywhere. Stay home, okay? Always, if you want to go out, you have to wash your hand and then take a bath, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye. I miss you.
okay สุภการ say bye okay goodbye
Goodbye.
see you next time
See you next time. Thanks for joining. All right. Next subject is
ยืดเขียนได้เขียนไม่ได้ so you know only second the name you can say only
5 ปุ๊บ
you play like
3-4 minutes
เรียกเพลงอะไร5 นาที
จบแล้ว
แต่เชื่อเหลืออีก5 นาทีโยนั่นเลย stop เลย
เส้นไปเป็นสุดท้ายไอแดงใช่ไหม
because you have to prepare for the next
no but every time
Ah,
you
yes.
have to
there is 10 minutes
Yeah,
sorry
ช่วยดูเด็ก
ช่วยดู
ยังไล
I
ฟ์
forgot
ยังไลฟ์อยู่นะ
ไม่ก็คือรู้ว่า5 นาทีแล้ว
เดี๋ยวผมหยุดไปเลย
เราหยุดไปแล้วใช่ไหมคะเขาขออนุญาต
คือเราเปิดไปอันเนี้ยโอเค so for everyone 30 minutes they have break 10 minutes
Yeah.